Black-eyed peas with potatoes. For this recipe, let's start by roasting some spices. Let's heat a pan and add our whole spices. We have black cardamom, green cardamom, coriander seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, and about 1/4 cup of coconut. We will roast them, and when they get fragrant, I will make a paste out of them and set the paste aside. Remember to add a little bit of water to make the paste, and here I am going to add oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan. This is Instant Pot, which is on saute. I add 8 to 10 curry leaves. I have about 10 here. A little bit of hing, about 1/4 teaspoon. To this hot mixture, I will add a cup of onions and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute this mixture for a few minutes. We want onions to be translucent. In go our tomatoes, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. These are fresh tomatoes. You can also use canned tomatoes if you like. I often use canned tomatoes when I don't have fresh tomatoes. They work just as well. Now I'm going to add ground spices. We only have paprika or chili pepper if you like it hot, and some turmeric. And in goes our spice mix paste that we made earlier. 1 cup of black-eyed peas soaked for about 6 to 8 hours. 3 or 4 medium-sized potato cut into big chunks, and 1.5 cups of water. I am going to add salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and give it a good stir. At this point, I will now cancel the saute mode, close the lid, and set the timer to 20 minutes on high pressure. After the timer is done, I'll open the lid, and there it is. This is what it looks like. It is done. Potatoes are soft and beans are cooked, but the gravy is a little thin. So I will crush some beans with the back of a spoon and cook it for about 10 more minutes on saute. And this looks done. Gravy is nice and thick. Now I am going to dish it out, and I will garnish it with some fresh coriander. Very tasty, high protein recipe. Full recipe on my website, YogChakra.com.